So here the question is that an alpha particle is projected vertically upward with a speed of 3.0 into 10 to the power 4 kilometer per second in the region where the magnetic field is there also. So magnetic field of magnitude this much exists in the direction of south to north. Find the magnitude of the find the magnetic force that acts on the alpha particle. So here we have to find out the magnetic force. So formula for the magnetic force, that is equals to Q into V cross B. So here let's take the data, that is the charge of the alpha particle Q. Q is 2 into charge of positron, that will be 2 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Velocity, magnitude of the velocity, that is 3 into 10 to the power of 4 kilometer per second. So it will comes 3 into 10 to the power 7 meter per second. Magnitude of the magnetic field, that is 1 Tesla. Now for the magnetic force, we have to find out the magnitude and we have to find out the direction as well. So magnitude will be F equals to Q VB sin theta. So what is the angle between V and B, velocity and the magnetic field? Let's draw this diagram. If we consider this is south and this is north direction, and perpendicular, this one is west and east. That means in this plane the magnitude of the magnetic field is this and the direction is from south to north. So if we consider this along the x-axis, then B is acting this direction and alpha particle is projected vertically upward. That means if it is the y direction, that means alpha particle is not projected along y, it will projected along z direction. That means the perpendicular to x and y both. So the velocity of alpha particle is along this direction. So angle between velocity and B 90 degree, sin 90 is 1. So we can get the value or magnitude of the magnetic force, that will be simply F equals to Q into VB. That means 2 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 into V, that is 3 into 10 to the power of 7 and 1. It comes approximately 9.6 into 10 to the power of minus 12 SI unit Newton. Now consider the direction. So what will be the direction of this magnetic force? We can take the consideration of the palm rule. Palm rule said that if we direct the 4 fingers for the direction of B and the thumb along the velocity of the charged particle, then that means if we consider all the 4 fingers along the direction of magnetic field and we take this thumb along V, then the palm direction, the palm face will show us the direction of the magnetic force. That means for this direction, if it is north, and for thumb, if it will comes up, then the direction will be along the west or towards the west. So the direction of this magnetic force is along the west. So direction is towards west. Okay, this is the answer. Thank you.